Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable cookies on Google Chrome browser. Click Customize and control Google Chrome. Click Settings. Click Advanced Settings. Click Content Settings. Click Cookies. Click Turn on Cookies. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.